siya'y kumatawan din sa mga gawain ng amang Dr. Jose Rizal na hindi niya natapos noong siya'y nasa kanyang material na katawan pa. At ang Pangulong Marcos, para sa amin, isang santo. Dahil ginamit siya ng kapangyarihan ng amang may kapal.
Hindi siya nagnakaw. Siya lang ang yung bang nagtago sa mga kayamanang ibinibintang sa kanya. Pero darating din ang panahon na yung mga kayamanan na yon ay kusang ilalabas at gagamitin sa development of our country. We know.
We object to this because the Sacred Heart of Jesus is the symbol of God's mercy. The symbol of Marcos pertains to another issue. So it is a mockery, no? So Jesus cannot be compared with Marcos, no?
That when a strong man or a strong leader appeared with a promise to make their nation or their society great, then suddenly it's eliminated from the scene, there will always be a vacuum of aspirations. And so therefore, people would look for anchor on what they thought was a good old life.